Yo, what's up, solo engineers? Japan just dropped something insane in the AI space, and I need to tell you about it right now. It's called Sakana AI Fugu, and it's not just another ChatGPT clone. This thing actually coordinates multiple AI models to work as a team. Stick around because I'm going to show you the benchmarks, do a live demo, and walk you through exactly how to set it up. Let me show you something. Okay, so here's the problem with every AI you are using right now. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they are all single model systems. Look at this comparison. Traditional AI, one model handles everything. If it hits a complex task, too bad. If your provider goes down, you are stuck. And if you want access to multiple models, you are paying $20 $40, $60 per month for each subscription. Now look at Fugu. It's a team of expert models for each task. It does not just use one, it coordinates GPT, Claude, Gemini, all of them to handle different parts of your task. One provider goes down, Fugu automatically switches, no downtime ever. And here's the crazy part, you pay one price but get access to all these models working together. That's the power of multi agent orchestration. But does it actually perform better? Let me show you the numbers. SWE Bench Pro Fugu Ultra scores 73.7, GPT 5.5 58.6. That's a massacre. Live Code Bench Pro 90.8 compared to Opus 4.8 84.8. Terminal Bench 2.1 82.1, again crushing the competition. They are not cherry picked benchmarks, these are standard industry tests, and Fugu is dominating across the board. Look at these visual comparisons. See how much longer Fugu's bar are. This is not even close. And it makes sense. Why would one model beat a coordinated team of models? So, how does this actually work? Let me break it down. Number one, it's not one AI, it's a genius team. Fugu dynamically recruits thinker, worker, and verifier agents. Think of it like assembling the Avengers, but for AI. Each task gets a custom dream team based on what's needed. Number two, it's powered by cutting edge research. This is built on Trinity and conductor frameworks from ICLR 2026. It uses reinforcement learning to discover optimal coordination strategies. There are no hand coded workflows. The AI learns the best way to organize the team. Number three, and this is used for your wallet. You pay for one but get an entire army. Multiple AI models are working on your task, but you only pay the highest tier. It's like getting 5 subscriptions for the price of one. And number 4, no vendor lock in ever. OpenAI down, no problem. Fugu switches providers instantly. This solves the number one fear of 81% of executives getting stuck with one AI provider. For example, Claude. Let me spell this out clearly. If you are using ChatGPT Plus right now, you are paying $20 a month for access to one model, GPT-4. If you want Claude, that's another $20. Gemini Advanced, another $20. So you are paying $60 a month for three separate AIs and you have to manually switch between them. Remember which one is good at what and hope none of them go down. With Fugu, $20 to $200 a month depending on usage, and you get all of them working together. Fugu decides which models to use for which parts of your task. It's intelligent routing, automatic coordination, and zero downtime. That's not just better, that's a completely different paradigm. Now let me show you 6 things that only Fugu can do. No other AI on the market has these features. 1. Learned orchestration. This is not programmed. It's learned from millions of tasks using reinforcement learning. 2. Dynamic role assignment. Each task gets a custom team. Models become thinkers, workers, or verifiers based on what you need. 3. Intelligent router. Fugu decides, can I handle this alone or do I need to call in the experts? Smart delegations equals faster responses and better quality. 4. Zero fee stacking. I already mentioned this, but it's worth repeating. 5 models working, you pay for one. Fifth, provider flexibility. Working in a region where OpenAI is banned, no problem. Fugu works with what's available to you. You can exclude providers for compliance. 6. 4 plus hour research sessions. ChatGPT times out after a few minutes. Fugu Ultra runs autonomous investigations for hours. Perfect for research, Kaggle competitions, paper reproduction. These are not minor features, these are game changers. Alright, enough talking, let me actually show you in action how it works. So here watch Fugu in action where I have just created it in the chatbot kind of thing just to visualize the working. Note it's not actual working. We will cover later how to set up in our terminal. So let me ask his some questions about it. So as you can see here, Fugu Online ready to coordinate multiple frontier models for your task. I don't work alone. I assemble the perfect AI team. Next, I have asked for the please proceed. So it has given the same response. And after that, what next? So it has given response. Unlike single models, I don't work alone. I just called in GPT 5.5, Claude, and Gemini to handle that. Welcome to the future. And then I had asked, thanks, go ahead. Your task just triggered my Trinity framework dynamically assigning thinker, worker, verifier roles. Optimization complete. Please do my task. Base Fugu handles this in 2 seconds. Want me to switch to Fugu Ultra for even deeper multi-step reasoning? Your call. Let's say yes. OpenAI down. No problem. Anthropic rate limited. I'll switch. That's vendor resilience in actions. You never stop working. Okay, so this is basic working prototype in the form of live demo, what you call as a 3 agents coordinating. Okay, so now let me show you exactly how to set this up. It's actually super simple. Step 1, get access and your API key. You go to console.sakana.ai, sign up, pick your plan, and that's what I'd recommend to choose Pro for $100, which is 10x usage. They also have pay as you go at $5 per million input tokens. Next, step 2, connect your app, and this is where it gets beautiful. Fugu is 100% OpenAI compatible. Look at this code. If you are already using the OpenAI SDK, you literally change two things. The base URL to api.sakana.ai version 1 and swap your API key. That's it. Same code, better results. There's copy button. You can copy this code and paste it into your project. Done. Step 3. Test that it's working. They give you this curl command to verify your setup. Next is choosing the model. You have got two options, so pick based on your needs. First is Fugu base. Regular Fugu, balance speed and quality, 2 to 5 second response time, great for coding, debugging, everyday tasks. You can customize provider routing. And the next is Fugu Ultra. Maximum quality, deeper reasoning, 5 to 15 second reasoning time. This is for complex analysis, research, Kaggle competition. And if you are a command line person, there's even a one line install command for codex integration, instant terminal access. Now let's see the real use cases of Fugu. First one, developers are using it for code reviews, catching bugs that single models miss because multiple models are analyzing the code. Researchers are running 4-hour autonomous literature reviews, finding papers they would have missed annually. Data scientists are saying Kaggle competitions are easier because Fugu coordinates data analysis, modeling, and debugging all at once. Enterprises. They are sold on the zero vendor lock-in. If OpenAI goes down, Fugu switches to Claude instantly. Their apps never stop. These are not paid testimonials, but these are real developers seeing real benefit. Let's talk about money. Is this worth it? So basically, these Fugu come under three model tier, in which Pro model is highly recommended, where $100 a month gives 10x the usage, and this is probably where most serious developer will land. Also, there is one more option available, pay as you go, where $5 input and $30 output per million tokens are available. And remember, no fee stacking. If Fugu uses 3 models on your request, you don't pay 3x, you pay once. So here's my take. This is genuinely innovative. We have been stuck in the one model per subscription paradigm for years. And Fugu is the first to crack multi-agent orchestration at scale. The benchmarks are real. The technology is solid. It's based on ICLR 2026 research. The pricing is competitive and the vendor independence angle. That's huge for anyone building serious applications. Is it perfect? No. It's not available in Eastern Europe region. Yet due to GDPR compliance and because it's orchestrating multiple models, you don't always know which model answered which part of your question. That could be an issue for debugging. But for solo engineers like us building products, running experiments, doing research, this is a game changer. You get the best of GPT, Claude, and Gemini without the vendor lock in, without paying 3 separate subscriptions, and with better results than any single model. I have linked everything in the description, console.sakana.ai to sign up, API docs, everything. If you are curious, go check it out. Alright, so engineers, that's Sakana AI Fugu. Would you switch from ChatGPT to this? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more breakdowns of cutting edge AI tools like this, hit that subscribe button. If you found this valuable, smash that like button. And if you've got questions about the setup, drop them below. I will answer every single one. Thanks for watching. This is the Solo Engineer, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.